So good morning to all and all. So today's experiment is extension of instrument ranges. So in this experiment we are going to see how the range of ammeter and voltmeter can be increased. So when you go for power system applications, so extension of instrument ranges will be very helpful. Okay, so now we will see to the circuit diagram. So when you see to the circuit diagram, so the input is single phase 230 volt AC supply, and so this is your current transformer. So this is your primary winding, so marked as P1 and P2. This is your secondary winding, marked as S1 and S2. So this is your test meter, so which is going to have low range, so 0 to 5 ampere. So this is your actual meter. So when you see here, it is 0 to 30 ampere, but for this experiment we are going to use 0 to 20 ampere. So this is your lamp load. So this is the whole circuit diagram. So accordingly we have to give the connections. The circuit setup. This is your auto transformer. This is your main ammeter. This is your test ammeter. This is your current transformer. So the wire enters, so this will act as a primary, and the top terminals acts as a secondary, S1 and S2. And you will see to the lamp load. So this is your lamp load. So each bulb is 100 watts. Clear? So we are going to have 12 lamps. Yes. Now you just check whether your auto transformer is in minimum voltage position. Now you turn on. Now gradually you increase the voltage. You can apply the maximum voltage, not an issue. Now see to your ammeter. It will read 0 since we haven't applied any load. When you see to the test meter, again it will read 0. Now what you have to do is gradually you have to apply load and you have to note down the readings. Just I will show you a sample. Yes, when you turn on, yes, your lamp will glow. So gradually you have to turn on and you have to tabulate some 5 to 6 set of readings. Now I will take one reading at maximum load. So when you load, when you see to the ammeter reading, it will increase. Okay. So when you see here, it is 2.7 ampere. It is 2.7 ampere. When you see to the test meter, it will be around 0.5. So this is the last reading in your experiment. Now you can gradually reduce the load and you can note down the readings, corresponding readings. So this is how you have to note down all the readings. Then gradually turn off all the load. Then bring the auto transformer to 0 voltage position. Then turn off the power supply. Second part of our experiment is extension of AC voltmeter. So for this you need to have an auto transformer 0 to 230 volt. So when you see here, so the variable end we have to take and you have to connect it to a substandard meter. So it is about 0 to 300 volt. So and again you have to connect it to the PT, potential transformer. So primary winding. So primary winding is going to have more number of turns. So when you see to the secondary, it is going to have less number of turns. So now you can tell. Now you can imagine. So it will act like a step down transformer. Okay. So when the primary voltage is step down, so you can use a low range of meter to measure the higher voltage. Okay, so when you see to the secondary, it is about 0 to 150 volt. So the test meter is 0 to 150 volt, and when you see to the primary meter, so it is about 0 to 300 volt. Now the voltage. So now when you see to the primary voltmeter and the secondary voltmeter, it will read 0. So this is your potential transformer. So when you see here, So 0 to 110 volt is your secondary and 0 to 433 volt is your primary. Okay, so the primary is 0 to 430 volt. So line voltage you can apply, but the availability here is only phase voltage. So we are giving 0 to 230 volt over here, and when you see to the secondary, it is about 0 to 110 volt. Now what you have to do is you have to increase the voltage rating of your, that is, you have to change the knob of your auto transformer to full voltage. Okay, so when you see here the voltage is varying, and again when you see to the meter which is connected in the secondary, again it will vary. Okay, so now you have to increase the voltage and you have to take 5 to 6 readings. So